Miss Sana, from what you told me, your son have constipation. This constipation need treatment. I will give you treatment. This treatment is called Movicol sachet, and you use it for 3 months. And if it didn't work, we will give you lactulose syrup. If it didn't work, we will give you Senna. And this condition is treatable. And I also want you to do regular unhurried toilet and reward the system and bottle fed over extra water. Doctor, my son is 4 years. He's not bottle fed. If weaned, offer diluted fruit juice, apple and apricot. Also, I want to do scan for his tummy, CT scan, and CBC and ESR and CRP and TSH and calcium and liver function and kidney function. Doctor, is it serious, doctor? Something serious is going on to my child? We can't say now. We need to do this test, okay? And I will see you after this test. Do this test and come back to me, and I will see you. Thank you, doctor.